Oh yeah, looks good. Just like that. The sponsor's having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple, and it's been used for over 10 years. It's really, really nice to prep food on, let me tell you. All right, that's the video. Get cooking. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day.